Karbi Autonomous Council pen Troxikebra Isiang Deng Ru Samson Sing Inti Karyani Difu Ru Samson Sing Intia Mirbiri along Kachiki Modun. Karbi Autonomous Council Hamren Branch Secretariat along ta Indeng Troxikebra Isi Ru Samson Sing Inti Karyani Kachiki Modun. Nogang Christian Peti along ta Ru Samson Sing Inti Karyani Kachiki Modun. Karbi Prime Time along Penili Villarban Krupi, non Birtang Tonpen, Arjoik Tha, Ingdeng Troxkebra Isi, Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni, Tang Ni Pai, Inkora Ner Kebani, Ada Porpai, Ner Kebraj, Tim Aporpen, Karbi Autonomous Council Pen, Kachiki Mojai Mek, Kipadopona Birta, Perankipen Birta Napale. Ada Porpai Ner Kebraj, Tim Aporpen, Ru Samson Sing Intia Kumlin along, Bilor Kikai Pensi Jamek Pangcheng Ponlo. Apithu, Karbi Autonomous Council Members Hostel Adunkedo, Ru Samson Sing Intia Mirbiri along, Pregjam Anim Kirimatum Pen Kachikimo Ajamek Tapadopon. Lapen Kecharli Ausumara Tumapanta, Arjan Kihikachepati Tapadopon. Kachikimo Ajamek along, Difu Town Committee Chairman Rakro, Karbi Autonomous Council Art and Culture Deputy Secretary, Nirupama Timungpi, TCRO, Rani Terang Piatum Chetongdun. Difu Sunrise Academy along ta Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni Kachiki Modun. Ru Samson Sing Intia Mohor along, Thanbang Nang Shri Sing Lapen Pallabi Debatum Pen Milur Kikai Pensi, Kachiki Moajai Mek Pangcheng Ponlo. Sunrise Academy Principal Sohan Prasad Mohato Pen, Ru Samson Sing Intia Kailamo, Tihek Pen Kicharli Ausumar Lapen Thanbang Atumangno, Lam Thike Jai Pon Pado. Apithu Kicharli Ausumar Tumapan Arjan Kihikachepateta, Pado Ponsi, Kachiki Moajai Mek Mesen Pen Pachun Pon. Difurong Supia Long, Karbi Autonomous Council Atum Pen Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni Kachikibo, Ponason Tak Taxi, Bukojan Dilala Pen Hidipia Long Ta Troxikebra Isiang Deng, Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni, Chikimodun. Lapen Halapu West Karbi Long, Kerunia Havara Long Kedu, Tharve Hidi LP School Along Ta, Karbi Lamet Amai, Kerunia Rola Pen Karbi Hirjeramaya Tumpen Patirpi Ponsi, Tharve Hidi LP School Along, Ingdeng Troxikebra Isi, Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni Kachikimodun Abirta Nangle. Ingdeng Troxikebra Isi, Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni, Karbi United People's Association, National People's Party Karbi and Dimaha South District Committee Pen Chenglok, Karbi Lapen West Karbi Angkang. Pregjam Adimlong Troxikebra Isi Deng Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni Kachimodona Birta, Kadnis Asahemalong, Birta Nangle. Aningkan Wangason Tak Taxi Piningan Lethota, Karbi Autonomous Council Hamren Branch Secretary Alongta, Tangdani Paing Koraner Kebani, Ada Porpiner Kepa Porpen, Ingdeng Troxikebra Isi, Ru Samson Sing Inti Karliarni Kachiki Mojai Mekipado Birta, Dilituba Peranki Hundor Krupen Birta Nampale.
Hamren Town Committee ame Pubiren Tiso Penjapon si Ru Samson Sing Intia Kumlin along Melur ke Pensi Jamek Pangcheng Ponlo. Laswa Pi Karbi Autonomous Council Hamren Branch Secretariat along Rat ame Pita Padupon 2. Hamren Town Committee ame Pubiren Tiso Pen Kacharipon ame along Hamren Wholesale Cooperative Society ame Pujoy Sing Inti, Socheng VDC ame Puromen Pator, Habe Seng Teron, Richard Hansel Lapen Ward Commissioner Atum Chetongdun. Maya long ke jengsi ke prekjam anima tumpen kardom kardia jai mekta patupon. Laswa long karbi aron barim, hempu pamona hamphang Christian Hindu lapen Muslim atum chetongdun. Hamren Branch Secretariat OSD Sonate Rang Pen Ru Samson Sing Tia Kaya Lamo Kachetongdun Alohi Lapen Radatum Angno Thanpon. Laswa Pi Klim Somar Tumpen Arjan Kihi Kechipate along ke Hai Tumapanong Epajir Pontu. Anikan Wang Pen Pangbardam Pulote Pining ke Armu Kachetong Ing Ar Priason Teklong Pusi Perang ke Pen Birtanang Pale.
Namaram Sopor Panbirta Moing to Ponixina.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case, it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC, and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer, and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it simultaneously we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds, and simultaneously there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests the returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because a lot of time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem, that's just not possible. Right.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nanya cusir ham tamle ini su.
Ini siksa kelapa nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepakeng dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalom Karbi beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, kona lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adum rong supia long ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamata dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, ke cengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamata dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people thought beer talong wangtolo. Nogang Christian Peti along ta, thang ni phaing kora near keparni. Ingdeng trox kebra isi ru Samson Singh ingti Karli ni kachki moduna birta, pherang ke biran inghi pen card ni salong birta nang pale. Ingdeng trox kebra isi ru Samson Singh ingti Karli ni Nogang Christian Peti along ta chiki modun. Labang sur kachiki mo jai megalong retired IAS jai kathar Nogang KS ya Maipu Avijit Crew, Kursing Timo Maipu NDKO, Maipu NDKSA, Lapen Nogang along ki Charlie Arisway jang tum chetong do. 3rd Sikh Indian Army Red Horn Division Hamren Penpatir Pi Ponsi thang ni phaing kora choksiarni Hamren along thengpi aklim ke ajai mek ke pado pona birta pherang ki hondor kro Hamren pen birta nang pale.
Hamren LP School, Lapen Girls High School, Hamren along Thengpi Aklim Kia Sai Padupon, La Palong Nia School Pen, Kadokawe Rong Paruket Hom, A Thengpi Aklim Kia Sai, Dengpon Pusi, Pacheni. Alang Litum Pen, Bangso Aja Meke Dengpon Nang Koklake, Kacharli also Marpen Danglok, Kadokawe Arada Tumta, Thengpi Thengprang, Kirai Koma Kenang Sot Alam, Kepachini Aphansi, Jamek Padupon Lo. Anparta, our muokso pen radang bong, kachime senjia phansi lapuson kachera pajamek kedeng pon puta pachini. Alang litu malong, bang sir kep troxy, kacharlio somar, lapen than bang troxy atum, kacherap kacheto dun pen, a joxi mesen pen pachun long lo puta, alang litum pen pachini. Alang litum pen, ke som, ponat hing piaklim lake, April, Chandon, Golmuri, Devdaru, Tharwe la pente so pusi pachini.
Birta bangila pans kang ton moniklo dumi thakmi kurang thu.